LiveCatalog, an online catalog management that will turn your PDF catalog into an interactive sales platform. Are you one of many resellers whose sales are suffering because they are still manually synchronizing their listing, gathering orders from many sources, unable to promote full assortment with an updated pricing? Welcome to LiveCatalog, an in-cloud catalog management that will allow you to eliminate mistakes and automate your sales process by turning your PDF catalog into an interactive sales platform. LiveCatalog functions as an all-in-one tool displaying your PDF catalog with always streamlined pricing and an integrated order form. Sounds great, but how does this work in practice? You simply upload your regular PDF catalog, add a shopping cart next to your assortment, and edit its pricing. Further, you can create fully customized catalogs by displaying different prices for each individual retailer, shop owner, or end prospect, with sending them their unique LiveCatalog's invitation link. Finally, an easy way for your PDF catalogs to display real-time pricing while collecting orders along the way. Join thousands of manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers worldwide who've improved their prospects' buying experience and increased their sales with the power of LiveCatalog. Forget new catalog printings every time prices or assortment changes. Sign up now for a 30-day free trial. LiveCatalog.com.